Women's Health Clinic has an interesting history, like most women's organizations do. The women who started Women's Health Clinic would have probably been seen as kind of radical in their beliefs about what women's rights were within the healthcare system. Back in the 60s, when birth control was legalized, there became a huge need for information about both birth control and abortion referral. Women's Health Clinic wasn't in existence at that point in time, but there were some various volunteer organizations in the community. The one that preceded us was called the Pregnancy Information Service. It was run out of Clinic with a K. So in May of 1981, Women's Health Clinic was born. Our mother was Clinic. The birth control and abortion referral service was huge out of Women's Health Clinic. In those days, to get an abortion, you had to have a referral and a letter written that would go before a panel of doctors at Health Sciences to say whether or not you would be eligible for your abortion.
We were the abortion program known as Morgentaler Clinic for all those years, and then we became Jane's Clinic for a couple of years, and then we agreed to be taken over by Women's Health Clinic. So a little bit about Morgentaler Clinic. He came here in Winnipeg in 1983 and thought because we had an NDP government here, they were pro-choice nominally, and this would be the place to challenge the abortion law. But he was met with nothing but refusal. They absolutely refused. They stuck to the letter of the law. They raided his clinic 4 times. They put a number of us in jail. It was a nightmare.
The other thing that prompted the creation of Women's Health Clinic was the feeling that women had that they weren't listened to, that the medical system really didn't respect and listen to what they were saying. Women felt that their histories weren't heard, that their complaints weren't heard, that their concerns weren't being dealt with appropriately. I often hear from people, you made a huge difference in our lives. The clinic was there when I needed them, and I'm forever grateful for that. That says a lot about this place. We help people at their hardest times, and hopefully do it respectfully.